So today we're going to be taking a quick look at this gaming mouse here. We're just going to open it up and then I'm going to plug it in onto my laptop and show you how it works. So right out of the box here we have the instructions here. Take a look at that. Open the mouse first actually, just to show you guys. Look at the wire. Let's get the mouse out of here. Okay, so I have pretty large hands here, so let's see how it just feels right up against my hand, and take a look at all of these buttons here on the side. So this is an MMO mouse. Has so many different keys that you can program for your hotkeys, that type of thing, different types of attacks, whatever you might encounter. And if you have it just like this, you could just reach to the side here and click on whatever you need to click on. I'm gonna say, just feeling it right here, feels really nice and smooth. And you can change your DPI here with these buttons here. The scroll feels really nice. And let's see, we have additional buttons here. So it's looking like you could probably take this part off. Yeah. And then you could attach this part on if you don't want all of the additional buttons that came with it. If you only just want like 3, which is pretty neat. That is that customizable, and like I just showed you, that was just easy pop off right there. If you need a lot of different buttons that you want to program, boom, you have that there. And just take a look at that. This is just a nice looking mouse all around. So I'm going to plug this into my laptop and just take it for a spin here. Okay, so here we have the mouse currently plugged in. Like I said, you can change your TPI by pressing this, and then you can go back and your DPI will be as quick as you want it, depending on the colors. There's a bunch of different modes, and you could just tell what mode you are determined by the light. So, and then you can see on the side here what the colors are cycling through. So that's pretty neat. And let me just show you guys what the sound is like when you click. I know it's important to some people, and you can just kind of hear the clicking going on. Just pressing all this type of stuff here. And these do act as numbers as well, and you can program them in your game depending on what you're trying to play. So yeah, it feels super nice and super smooth to actually use. So I'm just clicking through here, boom, very precise on where I want to do it. And then the right click, I wanted to test that out as well. And we can test the scroll and click. Okay, we can test that. But yeah, in terms of the left click test, very good, very precise, easy to control. So yeah, I think this is overall a really good gaming mouse. If you're looking for an MMO gaming mouse, I would highly recommend checking this out. Full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video.